Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday, everybody. And let's review stock market and let's look at levels. Those who are new, this is only for day trading, and I do a long-term analysis end of day. This is pre-market only for day trading, only for today, okay? Only for today's trade. All right, so S&P 500. So green lines are the buy lines or support lines. Red lines are the sell lines or resistance lines, okay? In the middle is the white line. We do nothing in the middle, okay? We don't diddle in the middle, so we do nothing in the middle. We start selling when we go towards red line. We start buying when we go towards green line, all right? So let's look at levels. These are live futures. So pre-market action, US 500, which is S&P 500, the levels. So right now it's in the middle. So we don't do anything. We either wait today for price to go below 47.05, so we look to buy here, or we wait for price to go above 47.37 to so look to sell there. All right. So from where we are right now, it can still go 0.24%. So this is the sell zone here. All right. And if it goes down from here to the buy zone, which is around 0.44%, this is the buy zone. And the S&P 500 E-mini futures, let's look at that. This is delayed around 10 minutes, I think, but this is slightly different. Look at the levels here. So levels on this is 47.92 and up is the sell zone, 47.57 and below is the buy zone, and in the middle we do nothing. All right. So right now it's around the middle. All right. So Nasdaq 100. Okay, this is US 100 futures. 16,607 is where it is right now in the middle. We do nothing here. 16,680 and up is the sell zone, and 16,534 and below is the buy zone. If I go to E-mini Nasdaq futures, you can see here around 16,896 and up is the sell zone. 16,742 and below is the buy zone. Okay, we are right now somewhere around in the middle, so we don't do a lot in the middle. All right. Dow Jones, same thing here in the middle. 37,411 up sell zone. 37,175 and below is the buy zone. Even Russell 2000, same thing. 2007 and up is a sell zone. 1975 and below is the buy zone. Crude oil, I was telling everybody to buy crude oil. Guys, look what happened today. Amazing trades. You can see around 5:21 a.m. just touched the buy zone and just bounce. Boom. All right. Just touching the buy zone and bounce from there is 3.71%. All right. So you can see how powerful this indicator is. All right. But now it's in the sell zone, so it can cool down a bit. So this is not where you want to buy. And also it's in the resistance, right? If I go to daily chart just to quickly show you here, hide this line, you can see where we are right now. Okay, and this is massive resistance area. That's where we are. So if it breaks today, we need, like you can see, we have massive dump. I think we will have massive pump, 3 days of pump like that to go to this next resistance, and that's where we could cool down. So next couple of days, I'm expecting a bullish oil. All right. So you can trade like that. And look what happened to CNQ. This is what I was telling everybody to buy. CNQ up 1.76% pre-market. Oil miner, biggest Canadian oil miner, up 1.76% pre-market. And let's look at XOM, biggest US oil miner. Here you go, 1.39% up. All right. See, 1.39, but it's in the sell zone. It's okay. And also 3x leverage. You can see here OILU up 3.73%, NRGU 3.72%, XLE. I was telling everybody to buy XLE. You can see up 0.63%. So you can see this gap is also getting filled here. Anyhow, so good trades on oil. I think there's still upside left, but short term, I think looking for a little bit of cool down towards the neutral zone. Okay, when it comes down to neutral zone, then you can look to buy. So at minimum, we're looking for maybe around 1.5 to 1.8% dump. If that happens, I'm not sure if it'll happen, but look to buy on any dump. Gold in the neutral zone, we do nothing. You can see it was in the buy zone on a Friday, 12 2:30, but touched buy zone again, touched buy zone around Sunday 6:35 p.m. We don't do anything there. Silver also in the middle, natural gas in the sell zone. All right. So also there was a gap. This gap is now filled, 2.51. So it could come down from here. Bitcoin in the buy zone. So you can see buy zone touched once here Sunday 9:40 p.m. Buy zone touched again 5:37 a.m. this morning and just bouncing. All right, so it's in the buy zone and just bouncing now. 41,894 and above look to take profits. Even same thing with Ethereum in the buy zone. So the sell zone is around 2211, all right? So Ethereum can bounce slightly more than Bitcoin. It can go as up at almost 3%, all right? Hang Seng Index, China is in the neutral zone. We don't do anything in the China. Copper coming close to buy zone 3.85 and below, look to buy. Palladium is in the sell zone. Soya beans bouncing in the neutral zone. Wheat coming to the neutral zone. Corn is in the neutral zone. Sugar nice in the buy zone. But I want to see a little bit more downside on sugar, then I'm going to buy. I'll to tell you more about this in today's gold miners are pumping. It's in GDX is here um, in the neutral zone. Let's see what else is here. Let's scan. Anything else? Shopify down 0.2%, still in the middle. What else is here? I don't see anything else. Oh yeah, let's look at healthcare stocks. UNH, biggest healthcare provider in the buy zone. All right. Pfizer is pumping. I was telling everybody to buy. You can see just buy zone and then bounce, massive bounce. ABBV still in the middle. CVS is in the middle. All right. What else is there? Dollarama, this is for Canadians, is in the buy zone. There's a gap around 189. So that could get filled. That's a good entry, 189. So it can go still 0.58%. Look to buy there. Banks are in the sell zone. Banks had massive pumps, so not looking to buy banks. I think all the banks are in the sell zone. You can see sell zone everywhere. CP Rail was down 0.1.2. Still, there's a gap around 75. It's coming to fill that. ATD, this is also Canadians. ATD, you can see it's in the buy zone. Enbridge is in the sell zone. I already covered XOM. Although it's in the sell zone, there's a gap here. Oil is looking bullish, so on a daily chart, so be mindful of that. Do not blindly short these things, okay? Oil, look to buy all the dips. Like I said, there are many levels up which I'm looking to hit. Okay, again, so before I wrap up, S&P 500 near middle, you can see from here it could go a little bit higher still, okay? So around 0.2% is where it's in the sell zone, and Nasdaq 100. From here it can still go higher, 0.3%. Guys, I hope you have a good trading day today and happy Monday, and I will see you end of day. Okay, bye.